everybody, this is Imran Jamil once again, and today I just wanted to show you trying to refinish the deck. So before it gets refinished, because it needs some replacement and a lot of work, we really wanted to clean it out. So before we did the power wash, I just wanted to show you that this little thing is 5 horsepower version of the power vac by Rigid, and you can find it. It's very cheap. I bought it years ago. I think it was around $50 or under that. This is also a blower, so that's where it really can be very helpful, that you can use it as a blower. So now once we clean the leaves and everything that was piled up on the deck, now for the final cleanup, you can just blow the dirt and debris away, and we will use it as a blower. So as a blower, it works pretty well. Obviously it's not a high powered blower, but it does enough that you can get the major portions away, and then the rest will be taken care of with the power wash. So this is a project that has been pending for a while. So you can see. It's just a little thing that is very handy, and it's also, this vacuum is also a wet vacuum, so you can just vacuum puddles of water in there and then throw it away, because it has a big tank, and it's really very, very helpful in a lot of scenarios. It's more helpful than you can imagine. So this is the first time I'm trying it for something like this, and as you can see, it's good enough. And it can move the bigger loose stuff around very swiftly. But if something is stuck, then you may need additional assistance. So in this case, I know I'm gonna power wash it. So I just have to move the bigger chunks, and that's what it's doing pretty well. So try it out for yourself. But it's a very handy tool that is not very expensive, and can really save you in crunch situations. Alright, so as you can see, this does a pretty good job of clearing up the big debris, lighter big debris of leaves and everything. But for detailed work, you're going to need something more powerful. And in this case, we're going to use a power wash, so I'm not really concerned about it. One of the issues living on the East Coast or Northeast is that in fall and winter, the leaves really fall fast, and you just can't keep up sometimes. If I show you my basement door, because there's a lot of stuff in the backyard that we need to do because of the fall season, it just becomes so difficult to keep up at sometimes, especially if you have trees around. So hopefully this video will help somebody, but it is just to establish that this is a very handy piece of equipment that really can rescue you in multiple situations. My basement flooded a couple of times, and this really was the savior in the middle of the night. We could just vacuum the water until the tank fills up, and then we would just throw it away in a sink, a utility room sink, which is bigger, and that kind of worked out. Even you can bring it outside if you don't have a bigger sink with bigger drain, and throw it outside. If this was not there, then it would have been a much tougher scenario to handle until the actual technician got to the house after a few days. Alright viewers, hopefully this video will help someone, and if you like the video, please share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell.